Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at WHOP versus Kajabi to see which one is better. So we're gonna start with WHOP, which is free to use and has a 3% fee per transaction. Sell courses, membership, digital downloads and more, integrated community tools like Discord, Telegram, marketplace exposure to attract new customers, API and checkout links for flexibility. Then we have Kajabi, all-in-one platform for courses, memberships and digital products, robust marketing tools like email automation, landing page sales funnels, customizable website and course pages, and pricing starts at $150 per month. Now use Whoop if you want a low-cost, flexible platform with built-in community tools, or simply use Kajabi for a comprehensive, feature-rich platform with advanced marketing capabilities. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.